Welcome to Savarchi Bavarchi. Today we are making a very wholesome and traditional dish, Ragi Mudde. It is a finger millet dumpling. Ragi Mudde is a staple food in most parts of Karnataka, the Rayalaseema region of Andhra Pradesh, particularly Anantapur district, some parts of Telangana and Tamil Nadu. The finger millet is harvested and dried, cleaned and then sent to the mill. Now we have ragi flour or finger millet flour. For every 1 cup of flour, take 2 cups of water. Add some salt to taste. Take a handful of ragi and spread it like this. Turn on the heat and after a couple of minutes add the remaining flour. Turn the flame to low heat and do not touch the flour. This will ensure that no lumps are formed. After a couple of minutes, stir well with a wooden spoon or a rolling pin. At this stage, if required, add a little more hot water. Keep stirring and mixing like this till it turns glossy. Cover and let it steam for 4 to 5 minutes. Let it be for 2 to 3 minutes. Now check if it is done. A perfectly cooked ragi mudde will not be sticky when you touch it with wet fingers or a spoon. Rub your palms with little ghee and take a fistful of ragi mudde and roll it on a greased plate. Ragi mudde is ready. I love to have it with avre bele sambhar. It tastes good with any sambhar or saaru. Give the ragi grain for milling a little at a time as the flour tends to get bad faster. Or buy ragi flour little bit at a time. Now for some additional tips. Start with the recommended ratio of flour to water and adjust gradually. Use a heavy bottom pot or pan to prevent the ragi from sticking and burning. Follow these tips to get your perfect ragi mudde. Thank you for watching Savarchi Bavarchi. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon.